See that then, the Speedo sprang into life, squirted loads of WD on it, but it's still intermittent, so the next step is check the headlight shell off, but I'm not farting. It's gone off again. Not farting around with that this afternoon. There's only 2 hours of daylight left. I'll mess with it at weekend. I've not got the patience. Very tired all day with all them silly bloody bangs last night. I didn't get much sleep. I agree with that copper that said it should all be banned, and he called him a misery guts. But no, just have public displays and don't let silly gangs of bloody teenagers, especially these days, selling them explosives. We've all seen them internet pictures blowing bloody telephone boxes up. And what would that on? Well, they do it every year, don't they? Go in a shop and light one of them big packs of Roman candles, and it's showing the shopkeeper fighting to get it outside before it sets his shop on fire. Oh, McDonald's, that rate. Someone's let a display firework off in a McDonald's in London. Well, what do they expect? But to be honest, when I was young, about 10 or 11, me and a mate used to buy bangers and do silly things with them. Break them open, proper black powder then as well, proper black gunpowder. Break them open, and at school there was some little metal canisters in metalwork, because you used to melt all the aluminium down. So they'd pinch a metal canister, put all the gunpowder in, make a hole in the lid, and use a fuse from a banger, about 5-second fuse, to make a grenade that didn't half bang. You know, a banger fuse with the gunpowder of about 30 bangers in. Never harmed anyone, just for effect. And it was quite expensive, but we used to do penny for the guy. And cousin mate was a bit of a scruff, he looked like a Guy Fawkes. So we used to draw a face on a paper bag and stick it over his head, and then go around the streets, penny for the guy. He's in a bad way now. Same lad I used to go to school with, David, and he's got bloody Parkinson's, twitching like hell. He was driving as well. Alright, Steve. You alright, Dave? No, oh, look at that helicopter. No, I've got Parkinson's. My God. Are you okay for driving? He said, yeah. I have to get tested every 6 months. Because of course the tics and twitches get progressively worse. Then a police helicopter just turned sharply, searching for car thief. Not up to me, I yelled it. We are hunting for a high visibility lad on a bike. What's going on way after? Can't see a camera on the front. Normally police helicopters have got those super duper cameras on, haven't they? Thermal image and everything. I was saying to one of the lads, I said, because all them bangs will be going off tonight. I said, in fact, they'll probably be banging every night till Christmas now. Fireworks, I mean. Chance would be a fine thing if I were banging every night till Christmas. No, I said, the best thing is go home, have a brew, and just have a nap from 3 o'clock till 6, and have a bite to eat, then bed at 8. You know, catch up, and then you'll only have to have 5 hours in the night to sort of have your full 8 hours sleep. It's the risk of making mistakes at work when you're tired and on the road. Although I've never nodded off on my back. I did nod off on the back of a mate's bike. He had an XS1100. It seemed like a big bike then. 1982. And that was before I bought a bike. Camping for a week at Taliban near Bournemouth. There's a lot of Talibans. Not sure what it means. Anyone know? And he didn't tell me there was a nudist beach. So come on, let's go on beach. Let's walk up the beach. I said, look at them girls there, topless. I said, there's one naked over there. It's a nudie beach. I wonder if it still is a nudie beach. They were red hot. It was May 1982 and they were red hot, but setting back on the following weekend, I thought it'd be a good idea to set off at 4 AM. They're shouting for it. And he was driving. All the camping gear was taken back with his dad. His dad had a Jawa 350 combination, so all the tents and stuff went in the sidecar. And like I said, amazingly, me and this lad on an XS1100 were both about 15 stone then. So I was only 18. I'm not sure which way we went. I think we went on the M6 and turned off for the A55 and then went the countryside way to get to Bournemouth. I was saying about that to a lad who was doing some filming in Wales, a new subscriber, and I said that's the only time I've been to Wales, 1982. But it's like the Lake District, it's such a trek. To do it safely, you'd have to get bed and breakfast. Only if someone does a 5-day tour of Wales as well. You know, like that North Coast 500 Scotland trek, that's all organised overnight stays in pre-booked hotels and youth hostels and pubs. I don't know where they stayed exactly when Ian and Mandy did it. But yeah, Wales would be a nice tour, wouldn't it? On the countryside roads and castles and things. Still very mild. I was saying to one of my mates, is it going to be a mild winter or will we be getting taxis again, buses again? Can't be any worse than last year, all that bloody snow. Wouldn't it be good if it was like this all winter? I've not got my thermometer on, but it's must be the late 50s Fahrenheit. Late 50s, high 50s I mean. See, working again, works and drops down to nothing. So like I said, headlight shell off at weekend. I'll do every connector. I did all 4 connectors on the left hand side panel yesterday afternoon because it was only a quick job, but the headlight shell's a different kettle of fish because all the bloody plugs and wires are under pressure and they have to be put back exactly in the right position so they don't snag, you know, like a hollow, because you have to make room for the headlight bulb. You're going all of it. Right, good. That's why I don't want to tackle it today. I'll do it at weekend. So there we are. Hopefully I can mend it and it won't be an expensive kerfuffle. Bye for now.